Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and today, Jen and I woke up early for our usual morning jogging. We started trekking from our street and headed toward Manila. The weather was nice, so it was perfect for a run. Sundays like these are our little habit after a busy week of work and staying outdoors. Our routine for today goes through Malate, then to Intramuros, and finally to Binondo. While jogging, we saw many advertisements from agencies offering job abroad. It was actually funny because Jen started taking pictures of phone numbers and she said maybe one day she will try working abroad too. Of course, we also took some photos and video during our run so we can post them on our social media for the class. Charis. And when we reached Intramuros, we stopped at a small local bakery to rest. I ordered one cup of Milo and one bread while Jen ordered coffee with sugar and two pieces of bread. After finishing them, she said
Or,
she even brought two
hindi pwede
more
yung kawali
because
natin
she
doon,
said she
isunod
was still
agad yung kawali
hungry and
mo.
after jogging. While walking around, we also saw the beautiful Manila Cathedral. The cathedral was amazing, then we saw the sights. And after that, we continued our walk to Binondo to buy some
Ako din!
vegetables and
Ako
fruits for
din!
our lunch that we will cook later. It was fun and simple Sunday morning with Jen. Thank you. Adios. Bye. Huh? It's so fun today.